In this video, we are going to solve a cost-volume-profit analysis problem. And the problem is as follows. A company has fixed costs of 60,000 euros per annum. It manufactures a single product which it sells for 20 euros per unit. Its contribution to sales ratio is 40%. So the company's break-even point in units is option A, 1,200, option B, 1,800, option C, 3,000, option D, 5,000, and option E, 7,500. First of all, we are going to calculate the contribution per unit. And we have the possibility of calculate the contribution per unit because the contribution per unit is the contribution to sales ratio times sales price per unit, of course. So we have here the contribution to sales ratio of 40%, so 40% of the sales price, which is 20 euros. So we will find 8 euros. Of course, we know that this contribution to per unit is exactly the difference between the sales price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. So this is the value that we found, which was 8 euros, is the contribution per unit. After having this contribution per unit calculated, we can calculate now the break-even point. So the break-even point is exactly fixed costs over contribution per unit. So as we have the information of fixed costs in our problem here, the fixed costs are here 60,000 euros. So 60,000 euros over 8 euros. We can calculate the break-even point in units, which is exactly 7,500 units. This is the value that we will find in option E. So the answer is option